Welcome to a new semester at Saddleback College. My name is Jennifer Pakula, and I will show you how to navigate Econ 2 or Econ 4 or maybe both courses. From the Saddleback College homepage, click on Logins, then click on Canvas. Your username and password for Canvas is the same as your username and password for MySite. Once you log into Canvas, you will see our course on the dashboard. Click on our course. When you log into our course, you will land on the home page. The home page has some quick information, including that I am testing out a new feature for announcements and discussions. So the layout of the discussions will look different compared to your other courses. You can click on Start Here, and I highly suggest reviewing announcements every time you log into Canvas. When you click on announcements, you will see updates, information, important reminders, so be sure to view those announcements each time you log in. Under syllabus, I have a PDF of the syllabus along with a summary of all of the due dates of our course assignments. And then you will spend most of your time in modules. I have the modules set to force you to go through the modules in sequential order, which means that you must start on the introduction page, read the introduction page, then click the next button in the lower right corner to move on to the learning materials page. Here you'll find lecture material. I often have lecture videos for each of the modules. Each module has a quiz. Some modules will either have a discussion assignment or a graphing assignment. So make sure that you take your time to move through each module. I am locking modules, so you can't move ahead until 1 week until that module is assigned. You'll be able to see these dates at the bottom of each module. It says it a little bit small, but you'll see when each module will be unlocked. I do have the entire course set up so you can see which assignments are coming up and which due dates. It's just very light colored font, but you'll be able to see that as you go through. If you click on discussions, I have a Ask Professor Pakula, and then as you go through the modules and you open up a discussion, it will then populate in this area. Please reach out anytime you have questions. Best of luck this semester. My Econ 4 course, Micro, is designed exactly the same. So if you are a micro student, this video also works for you as well. Best of luck this semester.